high-stakes legal battle for the African penguin's survival begins. A pivotal courtroom battle is set to unfold in the Pretoria High Court, South Africa, with profound implications for the future of the critically endangered African penguin. Scheduled from March 18th to 20th, the court will hear a case that pits conservationists against government officials and commercial fishing interests, focusing on the adequacy of protective measures for this vulnerable species. At the heart of the controversy is a decision made in August 2023 by the former Environment Minister, Barbara Creecy, to extend no-take fishing zones around key breeding colonies of African penguins. These zones, designed to safeguard the bird's primary food sources, sardines and anchovies, had been established on an interim basis in September 2022. However, the failure of stakeholders to agree on a long-term plan led to the extension for a further 10 years, a move that is now being legally contested. The claimants, nonprofit organizations BirdLife South Africa and the South African National Foundation for the Conservation of Coastal Birds, SANCCOB, argue that the decision was irrational and are pushing for a scientifically grounded strategy, known as the trade-off mechanism. This proposed solution aims to optimize conservation outcomes for the penguins while minimizing economic costs to the pivotal pelagic fishing industry. The conservationists have proposed detailed plans for new, more effective fishing closures and demand either immediate implementation or a complete reevaluation within 90 days. The litigation also highlights broader issues of biodiversity conservation versus economic interests, a topic of increasing public and constitutional significance in South Africa and beyond. The African penguin's status worsening to critically endangered since January 2022 further intensifies the urgency to address the species' rapid decline, primarily attributed to food shortages due to overfishing and environmental changes. Respondents, including representatives of the pelagic fishing industry, insist on the economic ramifications of extended fishing closures, emphasizing the need for a balanced approach that considers human livelihoods. They contend that the minister's decision followed expert advice and that comprehensive conservation strategies, beyond island closures, are necessary to address the multitude of factors threatening penguin populations. As the court proceedings approach, the debate showcases the complex interplay between environmental science, legal frameworks, and the socio-economic realities of conservation policies. The outcome of this case could set a significant precedent for wildlife conservation efforts worldwide, especially concerning species at the brink of extinction due to human activities. Thank you for choosing Satori News.